Waiting for the rider of Mystic Dragon to climb back. Anytime now, race number 8. All set now, ready to race. Having up Tameret Cat. Anytime now. Race number 8. The favorite, Kind-Hearted. And the race is on. Head spin. Pass to begin. Rushing up is Balota. Together with entry number 7, Itza Lemon. On the further outside is Tameret Cat. It's head spin, followed by Balota. And running by Darrell is entry number 5, and this one special best. Head spin, special best, Balota. Tameret Cat. It's a Lemon is running in fifth. Running is Kind-Hearted. Love or Money is racing from the outside by Darrell is Mystic Dragon. Elegancia Armidale. And on the further outside Pills Game Sangano, while So is last is running at the tail of the field. Tameret Cat. Balota. Love or Money is racing from the outside. Head spin is running in fourth by Darrell. Special best, It's a Lemon. And running in 7, Mystic Dragon. The favorite, Kind-Hearted, is running in 8th position, Pills Game. Running in 10th is entry number 3, Armidale, Sangano, Elegancia, and long way back to So's last. Balota, head spin, Danori inside, Tameret Cat, Love or Money, and It's a Lemon. As they race the last 450, Balota. It's Balota, followed by entry number 1, head spin. It's now special best from the outside, head spin, Danori inside is Balota. It's now special best, along shot, head spin. Danori inside, and Mystic Dragon rushing up. It's still special best, head spin, Armidale rushing up by Darrell. Mystic Dragon, Sangano is Kind-Hearted, and nearing the finish line, special best, Kind-Hearted, and final it's going to be special best, close, Kind-Hearted, Armidale, Sangano, head spin. Number 6, Mystic Dragon.